Let me not see what will happen after I die. I don't want to feel the terrible pain to befall to humanity. I don't want to see how hunger and thirst will strike, how blood scatter, how killings will be petrified. I had given up my pride for all now, not to be blind. I keep speaking about salvation to end the mute of today. I shout in each ears that God is alive because to be still a deaf is a no-no to me. I walk and talk for all not to be lame. So don't blame me if you can't enter heaven someday. Please don't be a mute so you will very cute in God's eyes. Please don't be part of those who make sins of the world so acute. But please be a parachute of faith. Saving others is a must in today's dying world.